resurrect something. To resurrect India's founding principles of equality and secularism, which this government has buried 6 feet under. To resurrect the right to express ourselves in a democratic framework, which you label as high treason. To resurrect the right of a non-homogeneous, diverse people to exist within a union of state, which your government insists on dividing into us and them.
Ketua Kedai Mahua Moitra ke MP juga seng All India Trinamool Congress ke wini ki MP ke babju selia ban thetik ya ke sarkar jong Narendra Modi. Henry mentah kelak bandu no ya ke jingnon khot jong ka shalok sabha ni kelak ban cha be no nak kelak sabha ke long mentah. Kada kolong halo ke jing ujor jong we UMP jong ke BJP uni sekan Dubai. Uwal ujor bakal Moitra kalau buat Jingkylli hapo parlimen. Hadin bakal yo jing siu na kita ki bakwa bakal buat Jingkylli hapo parlimen. Udube ulo ujor ru bakal Moitra kalau ayo password jong ke parlimen account jong ka. Kenang bawa we businessman unyo ban aja de ban pa ai ka ki Jingkylli ki ban kli persya yo Gautam Adani. Ke ethics committee jong ke parlimen ke bakli de MP jong ke BJP ke bakal top dui ki khot jong yang persya. Kalau ajeng mot badi ban Pynduh no ya jingnon khot jong ke Moitra hakan di ke parlimen ke mentah. Henry kan digajing ajeng mot jong ethics committee la persya pat ki sangot ki MP ki bari ki khot jong ke yang persya. Hakin di kiski ki beradab ke ethics committee kala khot lan somon ya ka Moitra bakan cuba palo ki jing syak no ke jongka. Henry kata ke jing khot jong ethics committee la keno bagi babun ki khot kila clear ka ki blok ta ya ka shimet haka baki khot jong ke yang persya kala mino na ka ke committee haka por babu Jingkylli ya ka Moitra. Laban kedua hang niwo Gautam Adani ude businessman uber ruspa tam hari India berbuan berkenaan ke Mahkamah Agama Partai.
Ask these questions. When I stood here and asked this question, the global world didn't believe us. Honorable Prime Minister, this man, Mr. A, has topi penawd you. He travels with you on your delegations. He meets heads of states on visits to India. He portrays that India is the Prime Minister and the Prime Minister is him. He makes it appear to the world that he is the remote control behind the Prime Minister, and by obliging him, will be obliging the Prime Minister. You talk about elimination of telephone banking to PSUs and to LIC. Let me tell you that he gives the impression that doing things for him will put them in yours and in the Home Minister's good books. Home Minister, he has topi penawd you. He has had the same shareholder for decades, yet his company says, we are not legally obligated to tell us who it is. Yet he's taking security clearance for ports and airports from the Ministry of Home Affairs. His group companies have amassed nearly 42,000 crores in foreign portfolio investments from 6 Mauritius-based funds. These funds have commonalities like common...
Wat hadin ki report bakal aban syabe no na parlimen ka Moitra kum kabri ka bam jupendam kala ong bakam salia bakan syabe nawar kana phai byang chika parlimen daga jingjok ka khambon par ka kham tam khambon sya ya ka bradep